You may have heard the news recently where Nintendo sent out a fresh batch of DMCA takedown notices to Switch emulators that are being hosted on GitHub. And I know a lot of people are getting their Eden emulator APK files from there. But today, not only will I show you the better source for downloading Eden emulator APK files, but I can also show you how to set up Obtainium so that it will make it much easier to be notified about and download new updates for Eden. Something that is incredibly convenient since it isn't hosted in the Google Play Store right now. For those who may be unaware, Eden has its own GitHub style page on their own website, and they knew this would be needed due to past DMCA takedown waves, and now it's the time to use it. So, if you're just looking to download the latest APK file for the Nintendo Switch emulator Eden, then you'll want to visit this page here. I'll be sure to have this linked down below so that it's easy for everyone to find. But once you get here, it will look and function almost identically to a page on GitHub. So look for that releases or downloads page, and then you'll find the latest version listed up here at the top. But what if you want to be made aware of these new releases automatically as they happen? It's actually really easy to do with an application called Obtainium. This is an app that I've already covered here on the channel, so if you're not familiar with what Obtainium is, where to find it, or how to use it, then I'll have that guide linked down below. But once you have that application sideloaded, open it up, and we can begin to add the Eden emulator to the application. We're going to copy the URL of the project page here, and then in the application, we're going to tap the Add App button. We're going to paste that URL into the app source URL field, and then we're going to look for the Override Source option, where we can then select the Forge Codeberg option. And even though Eden isn't hosted there, the self-hosted solution that they're using follows the same syntax, so it fits right in. Simply click Add from here, and Obtainium will function basically like the Google Play Store, where it will handle the checks for those new app updates for you.